hScore. Informed stock investing made easy. Ever made an investment decision you regretted? You're not alone. Most DIY investors underperform the market despite hours of research. DIY investing is painful. Falling for overhyped stocks with no way to verify their true value. Struggling to find fresh ideas beyond the usual suspects. Making emotional decisions that hurt your returns. Hours wasted analyzing complex data with no clear answers. With hScore, you can. Conduct stock research with ease. Find new stock ideas through intelligent AI recommendations. Get timely buy and sell suggestions with exact allocation recommendations. And unlock many more professional-grade tools developed by ex-Wall Street professionals. hScore brings professional-grade tools to your fingertips with deep research and calculated analytics. No more guesswork or emotional decisions. Just data-driven investing made simple. Download hScore now and try all our premium features free for your first 30 days.